Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinomi app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. If you are using an iOS device, go to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Coinomi. Once you see the Coinomi app in the search results, tap on it. Review the app details and check the ratings. Tap on the Install button if you are using Android. If you are on iOS, tap on the Get button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the Coinomi app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on Get Started to proceed. You will then see an option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are new to Coinomi, select Create a new wallet. Next, agree to the terms by tapping on the Agree button. You will now be prompted to create a secure password. Choose a strong password and enter it in the provided field. Confirm the password by entering it again. On the next screen, you will receive a recovery phrase. Make sure to write down this recovery phrase securely. Do not share this phrase with anyone. Tap on Continue once you have noted down the phrase. You may be asked to verify your recovery phrase by selecting the words in order. After successfully verifying your phrase, tap Continue. Your wallet will now be created, and you will be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can explore the various features of the Coinomi app. You are now ready to start using Coinomi for all your cryptocurrency needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.